What's the deal? What's going on? How's everyone doing? We're back for some Asian. Daily closing below the range, below the most recent, not the overall, but still below the most recent. See if we can get a daily flip. What do we respect here? Turn this down because it's a little loud for me too. Yeah, this should work. There we go. What's up, everybody? Got a mosquito flying around here, but he gonna get clapped before the end of the stream. Believe that. Believe that. Drop down to the 5 here. Let's see what we have. $4 no bottom wick. This decent rejection area. We could find some kind of support here. Might look for buys, right? Which means we'll see a small range develop here on the 5, similar to what we had before. Alright, so I'm gonna look for some play in these areas. Obviously, if we can close below 49.53, can have an interesting look at some sells, unless we don't hold it and come back up in range. So I would expect this to come down and grab some liquidity before coming up. But we've seen this happen. Right, and drove up, and then this area, same thing here. Seen this, drove up. Now you have this area over here, and it rejected last time. And this is where it topped out, right? It's a strong rejection area. So, if it is going to drive down, where does it tend to drive down from? From this area as well. So, until we get there, there's a high chance we're going to continue driving up. So you might come down, retest the lows here, and if it holds, it'll come back up, or you might hold 49.53 overall. It's very interesting. A lot of potential tonight. Give this clean range to fill here. Okay. And we have range going up. It's not as clean, obviously, but we have some decent range going up. Probably to these areas. Ideally, we want closures above 52.943 because right now we're grabbing liquidity, and a closure above there should take us up. Yeah, you guys would be asking me all these difficult questions. Just drop a like and sub to the channel. Where's all the mods at? Mods, where are you at? Who am I gonna smoke with? No 420 viewers. No mods in here. What are we doing? Bougie's not. Oh, Bougie, you got your PC today. Congrats. Hack the shit out of it. Are you on the new PC right now? Tell me you are. Yes, sir. Yo, that's a W. Oh, no, you're not. You got it today, but you're not on it right now. I got you. Okay, there we go. Jay in the house. Ordering a new monitor. All right, cool. You should have been ready. You should have had a new monitor ready to go, knowing that your PC's on the way. Smoking with me? Yeah, I know. I believe in yous. I know Tino's on his way to come smoke. I know Don Juan has a little something in store to be rolled and smoked. I know it. Tino's not even in the room, still answering. It's storming in that part of Florida? Yeah, it's not storming here, but it's raining. All right. What's going on here? Hold on. So we had a 15 close. 15 closed. Respecting this area. So you have a 5 onion. If we can break the lows on the 15 or create a high right now and then come down and not drive and still respect 49.53, we might have positions on the next candle. Or it just holds support and drives up here. This isn't bad, but I need confirmation that we're not heading the other way. So I need to come down, grab liquidity below this previous candle, previous 5, and then come back up in range. Or try to drive up here and not do it, and then do it after. I'm out of ashtrays. Next time you guys are in my part of town, Wix9 enjoys ashtrays. Just a joke, don't be getting on my fucking ashtray. Wix, you got back your money from TD? No, but the new broker that they sold it to is up and running, and I can see my balances in there, but I can't withdraw them. So that's a plus, right? Hey brother, somebody on Insta is pretending to, yeah, I've been getting, today's the day, I guess, for them. Today's their work day. Today's their Monday, because I've been getting messages from my friends all day telling me that that's going on. Just report and block, I guess. You dig? Fire feeder. More fire. Hey, W ledges. W ledges. W ledges. So, very key here. We might close on the 30 respecting this area, right? And if we close on the 30 respecting this area, and bottom wick on the next 30, we might come back up. We might even flip on the hourly to come back up bullish. We'll see. Maybe it'll be on the next hourly. Yeah, my boy hit me up. He was like, yo, this man's talking not like you. I was like, yeah. You can try to replicate, but you can't really emulate Wix. How do you draw those rectangles in TradingView? Zoom annotations. Why TradingView not showing the gap? No, it's just this TradingView right now. It's on Oanda, the broker Oanda, so Oanda's not showing a gap. There's other brokers that could be showing a gap. Why the gap? So look at it this way. The gap is just the clean range, right? When the market was closed. So that's where the market moved while it was closed. So If it's a clean range and nothing, if you draw this clean candle here, right, and nothing stopped it from going in the other direction, you're gonna have the same ride down, right? Let's just get an indication of the drive down first. Get some closures, belowsures. Yeah, it's zoom annotations. You see this thing? You go to zoom, you hit annotate, and I get this little bar that pops out right here. And then I can go like this. I can draw. I can pick a color, right? And we can go rear. Or we can ideally irrespective. But for us to head down here, I think we're going to need to come back up and grab liquidity at 52.94. And if we need to do that, then we have to drive up 25 pips. We have some range, right? But if we don't do that, for a bearish move here, we would need bearish closure, right? We would need a candle telling us, all right, there's a support here, but it's minor. Let's see if it drives us up. It doesn't. We have to respect this area on that bullish candle, and then any break of the lows here should take us down. But this is your safe entry. These are the entries we've been taking recently, and it all depends on how this green candle closes, that bullish candle. So we'll see what happens. That's our plan for the way down. Outside of that, we're going to look to create some support and come back up, retest the high here. Is there a limit on what I can draw? You mean my talent? Yeah, there's a big limit. That was the extent of my talent. Alright, we got a closure below on the 5. Let's see if the 30 can do the dirty. Or actually, I don't care if the 30 does it. What I'm gonna need is the next 30 top wick. So, let's see. Yeah, I think we need to tap these areas here, Phi 1. You see these top wicks here? Before the market drives. See, we've tapped this area here, we've tapped this area here, this area here. So, I wouldn't be surprised if we, create a bottom wick and pull up here. I wouldn't be surprised if this happens and then we reject to come back down, and guess what? We'll either get, once we start getting a rejection here, This is where all these patterns come from, right? Because like if you understand price action, you can look. This is like a head and shoulder. This is what people call a head and shoulders, a shoulder, a head. But you can understand where it comes from, right? You don't need indicators or know these patterns. You just need to understand price action, and you need to read candles. Wow. Not gonna wait for the next 30. Range down, but I need to be sure that this isn't the bottom wick here to reject and come back up. And at any moment it can be. And for me to tell that is to just to see that we're not gonna that we're gonna respect this, and this is gonna become resistance. Got the 30 closure. And 30 seconds here. I'm going to give it a chance to drive up back in range. Or break some highs. If it comes up, grabs liquidity here at 50, 50.5, and then flips, we'll have positions. Yeah, I need a top wick here. I don't have any positions here, John. What's up, Rick? Sorry, Jai, I've been kind of holding out on you. I'd pass it, but you motherfuckers ain't here. What you want me to do? Let's see how we close. Let's see how the next candle opens. What's up with all this trickle down action here? This was clean range on the higher time frame, even on the 5. What's your favorite smoke? Sours. I like sours. I like my sours. You know what it is.
Just give me the light.
And we in there. That's it. Green, you don't smoke. My God. You ain't about that life. I'm not looking for sells. I am looking for sells. I'm looking for sells and I'm looking for buys. I'm being fluid here. Being fluid. See? Biwata, my friend. I don't trade, but if I did, I'd take sells on the break at a daily lows, full margin. Damn, son. Just take sells here and just stops at the top of this daily wick that it already created. That's it. I think you should be Gucci. Or you know you got zoom access here too. Anyone from Belgium? You are... Yeah, chat, drop a like while we wait here, right? We're waiting for something to form. I'm waiting to see if we can respect this resistance. We have another level here that we can tap, but there's nothing that has given me an entry so far. I think a pullback to 1946 will fill the gap. Touch 50 DMA. Sure. Possible. Thanks for the daily explanation week. Love your balls. Ditto. Hey, System Pro FX, $1.99 coffee for you. Appreciate you. The super donations just started. I mean, the super donations, the petty donations just started. Which I hash? Yeah. Good. Kentucky. Fuck the sunset. Go watch the Derby. Yeah, Kentucky must be fun. Shit is all clean as hell on the 15. Closure below here. Wix, bro, diet tips, bro, please. Yo, coming soon. Stay tuned. For all you gym rats, coming soon. Not the VWAP. So I want to start a health channel? No. There won't be a new channel. There are just things coming. Wix, would you do a in-person in GB? Is that Green Bay? Or is it like Wisconsin? Or are we talking about like Great Britain? Because, yeah, we could do Great Britain. I ain't going out to Wisconsin. Johnson Trade said, I'm in Wisconsin. Yeah, that's the problem. It's just you. You the only one. You see how it isn't like, oh, I'm in Wisconsin, and me too, and I'm in Wisconsin. No, just you. Who the fuck in Wisconsin? All right, it's 2 people here in the 500 people chat in Wisconsin. It's for work, man. You're not even from there. You're just over there for work and you out. Citizens punching the air right now. Word. Now, Matt. I've been to Germany, actually. T-Pain Ryan, Wisconsin mansion. Thanks, we'll log that away as well. That's going in the... It's going on the memory card. I'm gonna save that one. Memory card. You remember that shit? I had a memory card for my PlayStation. Otherwise, my game wouldn't save. Oh, I remember that shit. Yo, I still have some memory cards around. I still got like level 9 of Solid Snake saved on a memory card somewhere, something like that. Come to Oregon, dye your hair blue, and identify as Can't name Nebraska the worst state anymore. No. As long as Montana is part of the union, you guys are all good. As long as Montana is there, you guys are all good. Wisconsin and fucking Nebraska are like, you know, are like South Beach compared to Montana. You're right, Montana's ass. Oh, perfect. No stupid ass questions today, huh? I'm liking this today. Wait, it's still early. Still early. You're giving this stream way too much credit. You're giving us too much credit. Stupidity's on the way. No, but I feel you. Yeah, it's oh, you see, bait or sail. Ruined it. I'd like to hold 49.53 here on the close of the hourly, and then the next candle we can grab a bottom wick to drive up, depending on how the next hourly opens. If it opens with a bottom wick right away, we might have a wick entry. Here you thought you were going to correct this range right now. Oh, last 10 of the 4 hour, but let's see. Like, this is nice. No top wick though. Welp, it's that time again. Fuck you, Nightbot. Fix your banana shape back, Nightbot. How about that? Alright, the tape's flipped. Damn! Healthy pullback. Alright, let's see. Let's see what the 23 minutes doing. 23-minute doing the exact same thing as the 5 is doing. Thank you, 23-minute. Appreciate you. See you later. Here comes Jordan. Don't make hallucination, bro, with sound. don't even know what button to press for that. I don't have an answer for you. You're right. I won't make hallucination with sound. I don't. I can't. I have no answer for you. I'll do as you say. I have no button for you. Milos wins. Me wins, right? That's what your name should be. Me loss. You win. Damn, I wish I had a button for you, but I don't have a button for you. No, that one would be insulting. Yeah, the Soldier Boy one is good, huh? Yeah. What up, Keelan? Keelan. Gotta do it with the accent. When I read people's names, I need the accent that they speak in. Give me 1 second, chat. I got this smoking thing going on over here. Oh yeah. Yee. We already had a Jordan reference. Now we had a Jackson reference. We need the Mike Tyson reference, okay? I broke my back. What? Broke my back. Spinal. Yeah, we referencing all the mics today. Three minutes for the 4-hour close. So the 4-hour might close below, respecting. The hourly might close below, not respecting. Or the other way around. And really that will determine which way we go. might close bullish. Yeah, I think I want to see that. Above 4953, which would mean the 1 hour respects it, and then we could look for a bottom wick for the next 30. Record last 3 months, 14 wins, 10 losses, 9 VAs. Yes. But you got to understand that like 4 of those losses are like 8 pips, 3 pips, 8 pips. And the wins have been like 60, 30, 15, 12. So. That you aren't wrong. It's just more positions. I also say this, last month, June, was probably my worst month of the year. So you aren't wrong. It was a tough summer, tough start to the summer. Yeah, if you got off, I lost 100%. You should have gotten off too. Fuck your pips, to be honest. I'm here for. Why you say fuck me for? Alright, so this is the new 4-hour candle. Alright, we got a new 4-hour candle. 4-hour close bullish, but at a resistance. Actually, no, because the level would be here. It's a minor resistance. I'd expect this to flip and drive. The 1 hour held this area. It's the 1 hour. Let's see. I'm gonna have buys on the flip of this candle here. There's the stops. Hold on. I don't have buy stops yet. I'm looking for the 30 flip. but give me a minute. Okay, no, it respected the level here. It didn't close above it. I thought the 30 closed above. No buy stops yet. $30 closed a bit above that. The issue here is it could create a top wick and still come down. I know it's the 4-hour flip here, but that means I'll just I'll get an entry once we start closing above this area. So interesting. That 30 was a bit of a steeper closure, a bit of a higher closure. That would have been an indication that we're coming back up in range. At this point, if we can get the current candle come down here and close below, then I'm going to look for the next candle to come up, create a top wick above it, flip the hourly, flip the 4-hour, and at that point we can look for a sell stop on the flip, because if that happens and it does come down to flip, there's a high chance we drive down and fill this entire range here. Y'all see the massive moon last night? Yeah, and twice today. Can you explain that new move? Cartoon Tiger hidden forex. Wow. It's getting weird. Go. You can go. It's okay. If this 5 closes bullish here and the next 5 opens up for bottom wick first, we'll have a buy on the bottom wick of the next 5. Expecting to hold the support. Expecting to flip. Right, if we come down here. It's 11 pip advantage point. Because we would expect, right? We would expect the 4-hour to flip here at some point. 40 seconds here. Might just flip and drive here. Coming to London with Dawn? Yeah, that's the idea. Five, four, three, two, one. See? I want a steeper bottom wick to get an entry, to get more range. Can pop. This is the 4-hour flip, you know, you have range here. I want a steeper bottom wick. Yeah, I'm gonna take a buy here. Come on. Very similar idea to this morning. These are stops, but obviously if it starts breaking down, closing bearish in these ranges, then I look to manage risk for now we held support. I'm expecting us to come up to the top of the range. Already held support here. If it does break down, then I'll look for higher time frame closures against us. So I'll look for once the 30 closes bearish over there, then in about 15 minutes, then I'll look to manage risk. So, and I wouldn't have sells here on a celery play because, I mean, it could still drive, right? Clean range below. But my idea here for driving is we close, why would it close respecting this support, right? Now we have no bottom wick on the 15. So I can't close on that. Sell too risky? Yeah, sell very risky. I wouldn't sell here. You had no bottom wick. You had 15, you had 30 closing above the range, and it's holding support. So if it's holding support, the only celery we would take is if this 3 candles played out below the range, but it's above the range. I'm gonna expect the 4-hour to flip here too. Are you in? Yes, I'm gonna buy. If it mirrors the drive down, that's very scary, yes, but I'm also not expecting that until it grabs liquidity at these areas. And if it doesn't, I mean, I'll take a L. But I'll wait for a higher time frame closures here below. So the chances of it driving straight down here are slim. So I'm just gonna play the probability. So maybe 1 in every 10 will drive down. So yes, maybe 1 in every 10 I'll hit full stops. But typically before that, I'll either get a chance to manage risk at break even because the market needs liquidity to drive, and I don't think it's done that, right? Or if it doesn't grab liquidity and trickles down, I'll get higher time frame closures against me, and at that point I'll manage risk. But yeah, it was clean range, right? So it's got to fill clean range at some point. I was just expecting a liquidity grab before it does that, and a retest of the highs. Plus it gave us every indication that it's doing that, and you just had a 15 close with no bottom wick. And we've respected this area. Pineapples, it hasn't formed yet because because I don't have a range here, right? It's just clean traffic to the left. I would need to see something established here. Some kind of range established. No bottom wick. It means that there shouldn't be much range to drive down for the next candle. Maybe eventually, but not on this next candle. That's what it typically means. So you see the next candle starts to reject. The close bullish back above the range, we don't know. But typically that initial drive down isn't it because of that. Because of that initial opening. See, so it came down, came up, flip, but is it going to close bullish? We don't know. Give me 1 second, chat. My kids are calling me. What's up? Five close back up in range. Yeah, every indication is we should come back up and retest the highs. We'll do that. I don't know, but that's every indication. If you don't like the trade, this is my trade. You guys can exit right as it hits break even here, right? But I'm still in here. You can just make a top wick come down. It's fine. I'm waiting on the 4 hour to flip bullish. I'm just seeing like where it tapped before it drives down, and it tends to come up here and want to tap 50.5, 51, 51.5 before taking the dip down, right? 50, 51 areas. So if it typically does that, like let's see if we can retest that. We're not looking for massive runners here, right? We're looking to retest those areas. Wix, where's the crew at? By the way, Zoom peeps, they're here. There's a bunch of Zoom peeps on here, like a large amount. We bring the all stars out. Let's do an introduction. And now, starting at guard for your devious traders. Alright, we gotta. Alright, we can play 3-on-3 if you guys want. Squad of 3. Tree squad. That's them tunes. The tunes. What up, Tino? What up, Don? What's the deal? This thing taking a sweet ass time. only got 8 pips here, but that's our advantage point. We technically should not come back down. This should fill out the range. I'm gonna go break even here, minimum. It tapped our advantage point. If it reflips here, no good. But I'm break even, and it might take us out. It might not, but that's our advantage point. I saw 8 pips there. Oh. Yo, that bottom wick just took me out. Yo, this little bottom wick right there just took me out. Yeah, I really hope you guys will get this dub. I hope this shit runs like 100 pips right now for you. Yeah, I gotta be on that. Yo. I hope this shit hits like 50 pips right now. Oh, alright. Nah, I don't feel that bad now. I don't feel that bad now. Alright, we good. Alright, okay. You have to realize the levels we're hitting here, and this was our advantage point. So we should have drove through to the top of the range, right? But we know if we hit our advantage point and reject, it's gonna come down. And it came down, it took us out. And you know, for that 1 small % chance that it doesn't come back down, take us out, we have positions to come up. I mean, there's more potential here. Give me a second here. My kids are fighting. Hold on. Yeah, chat. Alright, that's a break even. I only saw 8 pips on there, max. Hold on. Remove this. That's the drive we wanted and the volume to come up. Now, if we start closing below here, we grab liquidity. We want to break the hourly lows as well. I gotta say that was risky, but at the same time, wise knowing the probability of managing. Well, I just like there's certain things that I'm looking for, and it's not to say that we can't come up anymore. It's just the probability of us driving up here has gone down after we reject it. But we take what the market gives. What happened? Oh, I know. I'm busy. I know. Low, previous 30 low. Wait, chat, what was just on here? Was it a 6? Where were we? Hold on. Somebody rewind the stream. Where were we? How much? 16, yeah, so that was 17. B number 17. Will I have a sell stop? No, I will not have any sell stops or buy stops. Look at this. We just printed 3 candles side by side. And like I said, we should still drive up before actually driving down because we need liquidity at these areas to drive down. I showed you earlier in the stream. You see these wicks? We're going to need to come up here. Tap these areas before actually coming down. This has now become a range that you don't trade at this moment. Because you can look at it like this, right? As, alright, now that bearish 30 has created a resistance and now you have an onion. Or you can look at it like this, that now you had a 30 form of support and the next 30 didn't break it. So you're literally in this range. These wicks, this wick to this wick, that's a range. Right? And you can look, boom, boom, just a range. It's difficult because this, like, being, if you're in a position stuck in this range, it'll make you question your position a lot, right? So if you don't want to go through that, you know, roller coaster of emotions, stay out of it. Wait till you get clearer closures. And no top wick. Last time it closed here with no top wick, next candle drove straight down. You see that? Same thing just happened. No, we had a celery on the 30. Took, well, yeah, we broke the high here. You're right. Yeah, that would be a celery play to come up, break the high, which is what it should do, and technically fill the range up. There we go. Yeah. That's the celery play on the 30. You guys been saying it's a sell for the last hour. Ooh. I don't have buys or sells anywhere on the chart, right? It's not really buys above, sells below level. It's really, these are more of lock it in levels. That's what they should say. These levels should say lock it in and start paying attention, because at these areas the market will give you a hint whether it's a buy or sell. Damn.
I'm good.
Yo.
I'm zoned in.
Said anybody see Valentino move yet? He hasn't even blinked. If you guys rewind the stream, he hasn't blinked in 15 minutes. Damn. My beautiful, beautiful range. So let's see how the hourly closes. So if the hourly closes bearish and respecting this area, doesn't come back up above. What fell? What fell? What fell? Something fell? Huh? You on a loop, Tino? Tino is on a loop.
No, I stick to the green.
Oh yes. The green. The green.
Green.
What do we have going on tomorrow morning? Alright. 8:15 news, red folder. Make sure you're here in the morning. Meti, you can do whatever you want, brother. Yeah, and then we go. And then we go there. Sorry, gang, I'm over here talking to my kiddo. Over there? Okay. Okay. Over there. Oh, you were watching it in crappy quality, so I just did it in good quality, but if you don't want to... Okay, okay, I got you. I understood you. I heard you. No worries, baby. Tino, man, what the fuck? Oh. That's Tino's favorite indicator right there.
200% win rate.
Not even joking. He'd do this. Careful, please. Oh, bottom wick. Yeah, sorry chat. I got a lot of live studio audience coming through here. News on the way? No, not tonight. I'm waiting to fuck out of this range, and it doesn't look like it's handing in. Let's do some range trading. How about not say we did? Send me a screenshot of your profits. Yeah, we're in a horseshit range here, and I don't know. I don't know what to tell you guys, but it's not looking like positions here are setting up yet. No, the daily doesn't have a bottom wick, and we should still flip. But is this the top wick for the daily? It could be. We might not re-break that top wick on the daily that it already made. But we can at least retest the highs of the top wick. Shout out trading you alerts. This shit mad slow. Yeah, that's where I'd want to close. Still nothing? Yeah, no position here just yet. For something to set up, we like I've mentioned like 4 times already, we need to come up to 51 areas, grab liquidity. And then I think this range, once we start driving after that, maybe for London, after it grabs liquidity here, we can clear this whole range down. 30 something pips, 40 something pips. Careful of these closures below, but if you get these closures below, right? If you get this coming down here, and it closes like this, on the next hourly, top wick, need a top wick on a smaller time frame, right? You'll see a push up and a respect of this area. On the higher time frame, it'll just be top wick and a drive down. The key here is not to enter this flip, but to wait that it respects this area. And after that, you want to get a top wick and enter either here or here, pineapples. All right, that's what you're going to need afterwards, after the session is done. But ideally, this happens after you retest these areas. Because below this area, that's also the hourly level, right? That's the 30 level. We're below the 30 over there. We're below the hourly over here, and we'll be below the previous, all of these wicks over here. See? You need a bottom wick on this hourly, which means you need to drive down a little more and pull back, and then you need to start respecting 48,167 as a resistance. Why do I say that when it redid that the past 4 hours? Because we found a support. And this is what I see on the 4 hour. Alright, we're back in range. Last time it respected these areas here, it drove up to at least here, right? Over here it respected, drove all the way up, so. I also see the wicks before it drives down. And it respected this during out of market time, right? So gold's very technical in that sense. It tends to retest the highs and lows, and then it fills ranges. This is fucking incredible. Look at this. This hourly closed with no bottom wick. I will say that the chances of us driving down and filling the range have gone down significantly, especially in this next hour. I would expect us to pull up, and by the end, no matter how steep a bottom wick it makes here on this hourly, the next hourly candle should close something along the lines of this. This is what I'm looking for, the next hourly candle close. So this bearish drive down, I believe, is just the bottom wick for this hourly to continue up. All based on that. No bottom wick here. All right, so with that, since I can't take sells here on the next hourly, I need some kind of ranges created. I'll leave those positions up to you guys. I'm gonna call it a stream here. Oh, as we're coming back up, I think, to flip and come bullish. I'll be here at 6:30 a.m. Eastern on Don Vo's stream. Make sure you're on time when he does the breakdown. A lot of value in his breakdown. A lot of value. It sets you up nicely for the day. Outside of that, and plus on his breakdown, that's where you can kind of understand why he's doing the certain things that he's doing, and then you don't have to ask so many questions during the stream. You could just understand, right? The dreaded no bottom wick. Oh yeah, the thing is, you can, like I said, you don't know how far you can come down, how steep it can be, this bottom wick. It can come all the way down, fill the range for all we know, right? But eventually it should come up and flip based on that closure. So I feel you, Lloyd. A lot of times it give you 10 pips, sometimes it give you 3 pips, sometimes it give you 25 pips, right? But if you're expecting the candle to flip bullish without knowing how much it should give you, then it's tough to play it. All right, gang. And also, don't forget, drop a like here before you dip. Sub to the channel, turn notifications, this way you know when we're on. And we are live every single weekday, 8 p.m. Eastern. Live here on YouTube, and you know what? That's when I will see you next. Actually, I'll see you in the morning, but on this stream, I will see you 8 p.m. Eastern tomorrow, August 2nd for us. All right, that's the beginning to the month. That's the beginning to August. Thank you guys for coming through.
Good.
Thank you, mods. Thank you, everyone in the Zoom. Tino, Don Juan, enjoy that L. Appreciate enjoy that L. I mean, enjoy that joint.
Right. Yeah, because I didn't take no trades.
Well, see, I took a W today. Like, shit.
Yeah, Valentino, nobody wants to hear.
Yo, he's over there smoking. My bad. All right, green mods, everyone in the Zoom, everyone in the YouTubes, in the chat. Love and wisdom to you all. And just like that, another Asian session is in the books.
Oh,
Yeah.
See you tomorrow.
See you guys. Enjoy the night.
live. What is it? Single chat. See y'all over there.